Hello guys, how's it going? My name is William20 and welcome to the first episode of real racing. So, okay, we're gonna customize this baby. So, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Okay. Okay. Rims. I want. Nope. Let me see. Oh yes. Okay. What else? Vinyls. Shapes. Um. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Huh. Okay. We finish. What do I have to customize? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't understand. Okay, now I do. Okay, that's nice. Now can I go away? Ah. Okay, can I? Yes. Finally. Okay, let's do this. So, let's see. Okay, where the guest guy. Okay. Suzuka. Okay. We're ready. Let's do this, guy. Go. Okay. This guy in front of us is Canadian. If we can overtake someone in this turn, it will be fantastic. Yes, whoever took two of them. Okay, this guy is Sweden, I think. What happened? What? Don't know what happened, guy. And our car is damaged. I don't like this. Okay, let's do this like this. And then, sorry buddy. I think he damaged our car. Let me see. Okay. This guy from Greece. Okay, we pass him. Spain, I think. Let me pass you. British. And Turkey, I think. Look, guy. This guy's trying to take us off. Okay. And second place. Not bad for the first race. Okay. What? Okay, here well. Race complete. Okay, nice. Second place. 1,200. Okay. Continue. Okay, we're good. Another race, huh? Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Enter. Race. So, Indianapolis Motor Speedway Cup. Race to the finish line. Okay. Okay, ready. Let's change the camera a little bit. Okay. Very good. Okay. Can we overtook them? No. Oh my god. Oh, break. Oh, look, the overtook we got. What happened? I don't understand that. Why the car stops in the middle of the road again? Okay. Sweden, I think. Turkey. I don't know. And we did it again. We're not gonna win like this. So I'm gonna restart the race. If we don't get to the first place. Okay, we're sixth. Have to drive very fast to get. Come on! Come on, focus! I believe in you! No, guys! It doesn't let us pass him! Okay, come on! How am I gonna make time? Oh, no! That was very bad! We're gonna lose! No! Guy, no! We have some chances still. Yes! First place! That's how we roll. First place! That's all this was it. First episode of Real Racing. See you guys later.